So today we're gonna prepare for you guys some real Jamaican gizzada. So just sit back, stay tuned, and hope you guys enjoy. Remember, subscribe. What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy and we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, yeah, do it. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. And make we lift up that word. Yeah, so alright folks, here's the idea. We're gonna cut our coconut and then we're gonna blend the coconut. And please do remember when blending, you must blend and stop. Blend and stop. Coconut is the best here. Yeah, the best thing. After blending the coconut, we're gonna pour the coconut into a pot. Just a little bit of water, sugar, and spice. You spice it up. Vanilla, nutmeg, and so. That's it. Recipe will be posted in the description. Yeah, so this is our mixture after 10 minutes. Then we're gonna make the dough. Alright folks, we're gonna allow the water to boil completely out of the pot. Then this is the consistency that we're looking for. As you can see, there is no liquid leaf that is left in the pot. Then we're gonna focus on our dough. You can get a rolling pin, but we just going to take one and make fashion. So if you have a just a bite out of it. You won't go back. You will be craving for more. Yeah, something like that. You're craving for more. That's what I say. So just watch my finger motion, people. You can notice we just a turn and we just a pinch. Turn and we just a pinch it. You get that nice. Alright, that nice look how we look for. I will just turn and pinch, so check it out. Mini gizzada. How do I want to name that? I don't know. Gizzada. Pinwheel gizzada.
taste this right now. Take a bite.
So thanks for watching. Until the next video.
So you don't know, says Jordan Mars representing for Henry and the Soul 5 family. I just want to tell everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life as a Jamaican Chef. He posts a whole heap of dope content, he posts recipes, he posts a whole heap of things you don't need to go check out. So just subscribe to him YouTube.
Yes, people, look out for that one here. The one of the on there already. Now go that direction and just click and just watch Jamaican rock cake, people. Don't miss out on the recipe either. Check it out.
Take a look at the world now.
Yeah, man, big up to the support. No cap.